Innovative injectable therapies require a partner who understands the critical path from molecule to market. That's where Vetter comes in, supporting biotech companies of every size with tailored services for clinical manufacturing. Our expertise helps bring your vision to life, safely, reliably, and efficiently. With dedicated clinical manufacturing sites in the US and Europe, Vetter offers global support for your first in-human projects. Our state-of-the-art facilities are designed for great flexibility, handling a wide range of drug substances and primary containers of various types. We conduct optimized scalability with efficient transfer from early to late phase development to market launch and commercial production, always maintaining the highest possible standards of quality and regulatory compliance. Our experienced teams provide hands-on support, helping you navigate every step of the clinical supply chain, from customized process design, pharmaceutical analytics, tech transfer, to packaging and shipping. With decades of experience in aseptic processing, Vetter combines advanced technology with a deep understanding of your clinical needs. We help to minimize risks, accelerate timelines, and guide you through complex regulatory requirements. This allows you to focus on advancing your science. Choose a partner who shares your commitment to quality and innovation. Discover how Vetter can help expedite your product's time to market and visit vetter-pharma.com to learn more.